Gear up, makers. It's time for the countdown of the best drill press table that can take your workshop to the next level, with precision, stability, and versatility. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill press table that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Novalife 795. This compact work table transforms a standard drill press into a precise, repeatable drilling platform. The surface is an ultra-flat milled aluminum plate that resists warping and resists sticking on tricky stock. Integrated T-slots run edge to edge, letting you drop in clamps, stops, and jigs without improvisation. A sliding fence runs on precision rollers and locks into position with a simple cam lever, delivering dependable edge alignment during templates and repeated hole patterns. Shallow etch scale along the edge helps with quick measurements, while an optional digital depth gauge can be used with this setup to maintain consistent drilling depth across multiple parts. The tilting mechanism accommodates angles up to 45 degrees, enabling angled holes for bevels and chamfers, while a positive detent ensures repeatable angles when you switch back to vertical drilling. The hold-down system uses spring-loaded clamps that grip stock without leaving dents, and the base footprint includes anti-slip pads to prevent creeping on slick benches. The table's height is designed to pair with standard benchtop drill presses, so you can swap between a flat project surface and a tall, tough workpiece while keeping chips and dust contained. If you need to align a workpiece with a long edge or set up a row of holes, the combination of fence, scale, and T-slots makes setup surprisingly fast without external gauges. The assembly is straightforward, with clearly labeled components and ready-to-run alignment marks that reduce setup time. In heavy-use environments, the Novalife 795 remains rigid thanks to reinforced cross-bracing and a steel subframe that resists flex under bite. Finish resists corrosion and cosmetic wear, keeping the surface looking clean after dozens of project cycles. In daily practice, it shines for hobbyists who need a lightweight upgrade from a bare drill press and for small wood and plastic projects where precision and repeatability matter. Paired to the Dremel 200 and 20-1, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Novalife 795 prioritizes a larger, more versatile fence system and a full-width T-slot array that handles a wider variety of jigs and stops. At number 4, we have the Dremel 200 and 20-1. This compact portable drilling workstation folds into a small footprint yet provides a stable base for precise work. The table's surface is sized for small parts and features a built-in fence that slides along a track, allowing you to align stock with repeatable accuracy. Centerpiece is a quick-release clamp system and a simple tilt mechanism that gives you perpendicular drilling when needed and easy bevels for angled holes. The vertical travel on the quill is modest but adequate for hobby projects, and the chuck accepts standard Dremel bits and compatible accessories so you can swap between plastics, wood, and light metals without leaving the workstation. The integrated work light helps illuminate the drill path, reducing shadows on tiny parts, and the base integrates with a standard bench to prevent movement during cutting or drilling. The device is especially good for electronics housing, PCB work, and small projects where you want the drill to stay aligned to a pre-drawn line. A dedicated depth stop on the device keeps the hole depth consistent across multiple passes, which is essential for enclosures and precise assemblies. While the Dremel 200 and 20-1 excels in portability, it doesn't provide the same table real estate as larger units, which makes it less ideal for long boards or multiple jig operations. It shines in tool-agnostic, compact setups where space is at a premium and quick setup time is paramount. Compared to the Vevor Benchtop drill press, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Dremel 200 and 20-1 wins on portability and overall footprint, but trades surface area and rigidity for compactness. At number 3, we have the Vevor Benchtop drill press. This robust benchtop model pairs a heavy-duty build with an adaptable work table that supports a slew of jigs and fixtures. The headstock is mounted on a sturdy column and is connected to a solid base that minimizes chatter during cutting, while the quill offers smooth, controlled travel for precise hole placement. The work table is generous in size and features integrated T-slots and a precision fence for repeatable edge alignment. A depth stop and scale on the quill help you reproduce hole depths across a sequence of pieces, which is essential for cabinetry, brackets, and metalwork. Table tilts to accommodate bevel drilling, and the tilt lock provides solid, repeatable angles once you set them. The spindle speed is adjustable across a wide range, making it possible to handle wood, plastics, and light metals with minimal chatter, while the powerful motor resists stalling on tougher tasks. The base has a wide footprint to resist tipping when working at an angle, and the design includes thoughtful cable management and dust control features to keep debris away from the mechanism. In day-to-day use, the Vevor proves reliable and consistent, offering straightforward adjustments that let you lock in a specific position and drill without remeasuring. Users upgrading from a basic drill press, this table offers a tangible leap in stability and accuracy, especially when adding jigs and fixtures. Compared to the generic benchtop drill press, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Vevor emphasizes heavier-duty construction and a more expansive work surface, making it better suited for longer boards and more demanding templates. At number 2, we have the generic benchtop drill press. This entry represents solid value, delivering a dependable work surface and an approachable set of adjustments that suit hobbyists and small shops. The table surface is flat and true, with generous tilt capability and a straightforward locking mechanism that keeps the workpiece steady while you feed the drill. Fence is compact but reliable for edge alignment on small panels, and there is a practical depth stop that helps you replicate hole depths consistently across multiple parts. Quill travel is adequate for typical drilling tasks, and the spindle speed range allows you to tailor performance to wood, plastic, or light metal work. The base is constructed to minimize vibration, and the overall footprint is friendly to tight spaces, making it easy to integrate into a small workshop or garage. New users or those who only occasionally cut holes by hand, this model offers a gentle ramp into more advanced setups without overwhelming complexity. The build quality remains sturdy for regular hobby projects, and the price point makes it an appealing choice for schools or clubs that need multiple units. Compared to the GarveeTech benchtop drill press, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the generic emphasizes cost efficiency and a simpler, no-frills design without compromising essential alignment and repeatability. At number 1, we have the GarveeTech benchtop drill press. This top pick combines a robust, gravity-resisting base with a smooth, precise feed mechanism and a wide range of compatibility options for jigs and fixtures. Table surface is large and stable, featuring ample T-slots for clamps and stops, and the fence can be set to exact distances with dependable repeatability. Spindle is designed for clean, straight holes with minimal drift, and the quill travel offers enough depth to handle a broad array of materials, from soft woods to aluminum workpieces. Speed control is accessible and intuitive, letting you fine-tune for the bit and material at hand, while the dust evacuation ports help keep the operation clean. Assembly is straightforward, and the overall construction uses a beefy steel subframe that resists flex even under aggressive feed pressure. The table tilts with a confident lock, allowing bevel drilling without losing accuracy, and the base remains stable when drilling longer boards. This model earns the top spot for its blend of stability, ease of use, and room to grow with additional jigs and fixtures. Compared to the Novalife 795, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the GarveeTech benchtop drill press emphasizes a heavier, more rigid platform and a broader selection of mounting options that suit larger projects and more demanding templates.